You know when you have just like a super random craving? I really wanted chocolate avocado mousse, and so I shall make it. Basically, what I always do is just go on Pinterest whenever I crave anything and start making it. So today's recipe on my iPhone is going to be a chocolate mousse. So starting off with some cacao nibs. Now this is 72% cacao at about 6 grams of fat for 15 grams. And first we are going to add, damn, the recipe is on my phone. This is not gonna be good. I think I said 4 ounces. And we're gonna melt this down for 15 seconds. Like 4 ounces, that's a lot. Okay. Pop this back. 4 ounces. No dairy. Melt this down about 15 seconds. 15-second increments. Okay, so that means 1 minute. We have to watch this carefully. Non-stick. This is a clean recipe. It's not exactly macro friendly, but I'm really contemplating. I just really want to figure out this face issue by myself, but I just think I'm gonna have to consult for help. I've dealt with this for over a year now, or almost a year now. Oh shit. Not good at paying attention. This. Basically, I'm not good at paying attention. No, I'm not good at that either, but I clearly haven't been able to assess it. But as you guys know, like, as an entrepreneur, one of the hardest things to deal with that my parents have given me the most shit for is my insurance. And I won't get into politics and things like that, but basically I need to get it because taxes are gonna suck again. So anyways, mix this down, and we want it to be just barely cooled. Already started pitting this avocado because it's already been such a mess. You need to get ripe avocados. That is the task. And so one quick hack for that I found is you take this top off, and if it is this color, then it's probably not ripe enough. So we're gonna, that was a bad test. Hopefully one of these passes the test because that's gonna be weird. Okay, this one passed the test. If it's browner than that, then that means it is good to go. Damn it! None of these avocados are right. Oh shit, of course when I record this shit, this is gonna happen. Mom, I never get a cooking show. Okay. Bam! How do I look now? Ooh, really dark. Swole. I'm getting all these emails now. Okay. I just need 1 hour to make this avocado mousse. People, leave me alone, please. It's funny, this morning I tried to do like a screen record of how I record my workouts or edit my workouts, but I had like 10 million comments and DMs come through. Not comments, I meant like emails and DMs, which is so cool because I love that people talk to me, you know, one-on-one basis, but definitely not good when I'm trying to record things. Okay, wow, no one is ever gonna come to my house for a dinner party. A lot of avocado, but that's it. And then, so that's 8 ounces of that. Then we pour in the chocolate, I think. So this is 4 ounces of the chocolate. What I learned was when it is 100% cacao, that it actually makes it more bitter because it is directly from the source of that, and it does have a higher fat content. So typically, to kind of cut down on that bitterness, a lot of people add sea salt to it, or mix it in with something else that has a sweet texture to it or sweetness to it to kind of cut that bitterness. So I was adding it a lot to my banana nice creams. But it's really good. Damn, I have chicken in here. No one is ever gonna come to my house for a party, holy shit. And it said a little bit of salt, once again, for that bitterness. And then it said about 1/4 teaspoon. So I think that's all I had left in this, so add that. And then I want 4 tablespoons of the 100% cacao powder. So this was a Kroger brand, and the Kroger brand was $1.99 in comparison to the Hershey's, which was $4.99, but it's literally the same exact ingredients. It's 100% cacao, so that's that. It was like 1/4 teaspoon of the vanilla. Okay, so let's see if this actually works. Oh, and the milk. 1/4 cup of milk. My sister's gonna kill me in this place. I made a mess. But look, I opted for this instead of going out to eat chocolate cake, because that's what I was actually craving. But try to replace those. I always feel like someone's listening to me. I love this little blender thing my sister got. It's seriously been so convenient for all my like quick recipes. So let's see how this goes. Look, so I just pop this in here. Let's pray that it goes well. If you guys watched my last smoothie video, you'd know that I have a lot of trouble with blenders. So maybe a really great birthday gift would be a blender. Maybe a Ninja. Okay. Oh shit. Was I supposed to add? No. Smells really good. Well, my sister might kill me. I don't think I broke it, but here's the test. Damn, that's some good ass pudding. Oh, it's warm, so chilled. It's really good. I might not be the best chef in the game. I also don't know where to look. Am I looking here or am I looking at the camera? Anyways, I might not be the best chef, but even though this looks like poop, this looks really freaking good. Check this out. Not tracking this. All right, the final product. You guys ready for this? Oh, I'm like low-key proud of myself. Yes, I did it. Okay. All right, guys. Well, this was a fake type vlog in a day. Basically didn't capture anything from my actual day, but hope you guys enjoyed this little clip. I'm gonna go enjoy this. I've got a meeting in about an hour, so happy Friday night, guys.